today is Saturday. Yeah, we're going to Solvang. I'm with Mimi, Kuya Tikyo, and of course, our beautiful driver, Raquel. Yeah. How many hours papuntang Solvang?
It will take 3.5.
Wow, 3.5 on her drive, okay? So, could you imagine? Dapat ano yun, 5 hours eh. Ayan. So, Solvang is actually parang Dutch town. Yeah. Danish town pala siya. So, keep watching on my video kasi marami kayong makikita sa Solvang. It's a little mini town ng ano, parang Santa Claus. Lalo na kapag ganitong holiday. Ayan. Oo. So, may mga kasama pa kaming iba pero mas nauna sila sa amin. Yan.
No,
kasi,
we're supposed to be first before them. But Anne is taking so long.
It's not me, it's her. Sabi niya 7:30 but she didn't come at 7:30. So, I take my time, watch TV, of course, ayan, before I take a shower. So, it's now 9:12 here in the US. And of course, sabi ko nga, overnight lang kami sa Solvang. But marami kaming activities sa Solvang. Kung ano-ano yon, abangan nyo sa aking next video. See you guys!
And then the ferry jacket.
Ganda ng araw. Wala traffic.
Knock on wood, we're only right on the beginning.
Sana walang traffic. Ayan, mainit po dito sa kotse ni Miss Raquel. Ayan, pero hindi namin mabuksan ng bintana kasi nilalamig yung mga tao sa likod. Yung mga bata na kasama namin nilalamig. Si Kuya, medyo puyat-puyat pa yan, galing ng trabaho. Ayan.
Hindi ginawa yung mga thunders.
Makakita niyo yung mukha ko. Diyos ko po, ang aking the face. My goodness, pinagpapawisan. Ayan, maraming salamat kay Miss Raquel. Oh. Nagdadrive, oh, galing, oh. Oh.
Galing na, nagdadrive.
Nagdadrive siya, oh, galing, oh.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, guys, look, foggy siya, oh. Di mo makita yung mountain. Masyadong malamig dito. O baka marami nang nagluluto ng rice. Kaya ganyan. Marami sigurong Pilipino nakatira dito. So we have lollipop. This is ano? Breakfast. Our breakfast for today is lollipop. Ayan. From Sis Candy. This is her favorite lollipop actually, flavor. Ayan.
I'm sorry, Mimi. What did you say now? I know, Mimi. This is my supply from CJ. She knows it's my favorite, Mimi. Oh, you want one?
You want one, Mimi?
I have one for you, Mimi.
For you. This is our breakfast. Ayan. Thank you. I got mine.
Yeah, this is my supply from CJ.
Look. Wow, so greeny. Yeah, so greeny. Ganda ng scenery dito mga guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang daming puno. Anong puno to? Pine tree ba to? Hindi naman, no? So we are actually in what? 101, Raquel?
Yeah, we are on 101.
Yeah, 101.
Because that's the reasons why a lot of people they go to 101 versus 5 going to LA. Because 5 is faster, but it's boring.
Kasi walang scene.
101, you have a lot more greenery. It's greenery more 101 compared to
so there's two road na pwede mong i-take papuntang Solvang. 101 saka Highway 5. You said?
Actually, I'm talking about LA. Yeah, you can. No, going to LA is LA Highway 5 is the closest one. 1 hour closest. One hour shorter difference. Actually. Yeah. But when you take 101, it's longer. But it's prettier on the right. It's not boring.
Oo. Hindi nga. Hindi ka maiinip sa pagbabiyahe kasi maganda yung paligid niya.
Like it's really empty like the desert thing.
Hindi siya ano, parang disyerto. Dito puro puno yung makikita mo. Sarap. Sis Candy. Sis Lollipop pala. Tuka sa sila part, nandun sila sa likod namin. Nauna pa kami. So they came from San Francisco. Pero yan, kahit late ako naligo, nauna pa kami sa kanila. So we are ahead 5 cars, no? 5 cars daw sabi ni Luca. Luca is her brother. Sister, yan. Ang anak ni Mimi, ang pinakamaganda sa anak ni Mimi. Makikilala niyo siya later. I think if you guys watching my video before, nakita niyo na si Luca kasi pinost ko rin yung Solvang trip namin. That was like 2021, so 4 years ago. So this time kasi hindi kami pupunta ng Solvang to watch to see kasi yung parang malaking chicken. Ano yun?
I don't know. Turkey?
Not turkey. Mukha siyang turkey.
Malaking chicken, turkey?
No.
Oh, the oh, I know what you're talking about. What is this?
Oxtail?
Oxtail. It's not an oxtail. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, parang siyang ostrich. Ostrich. Yan. So before we went there sa Solvang to see yung ostrich. This time we're going to Solvang kasi meron kaming...
We're going casino.
No, not casino, guys. We're going to see yung lights ng mga flower. Ano yung tawag doon?
Fields of light.
Fields of lights.
No, fields of light.
Lights.
Yes.
Ilaw.
Yes.
Oh, fields of lights.
That is in Paso Robles.
Oh, that in Paso Robles. So we're doing that on the way home tomorrow.
Yes.
Ayan. So this time we're going to Solvang kasi nga we love yung town ng Solvang kasi napaka niya, colorful. Ayan, tapos malapit doon ng casino. Syempre si Mimi, yun ang kanyang vitamins. Kailangan namin ipasyal. This time, wag mo iwawala yung wallet mo, ha? Make sure, ha? Kasi last time naiwan niya yung wallet niya, sa inis niya sa
Para maiwan, wala nang laman.
Andyan ng bangko mo, ayan, saka si Luca, ayan. Anong ginagawa ng mga yan? Laki ng bangko mo, dalawa-dalawa.
Punta kami sa San Pablo.
San Pablo?
They went to San Pablo. I think they lost money.
Oh. There's also one na bagong bukas na casino sa may...
Maganda yung chicken runs. Bagong hotel.
Hindi, Hard Rock sa may
Going up to the mountain.
Burbank. No, not Burbank.
That's in LA.
Nakalimutan ko na.
It's not a Berkeley. Bakersfield.
Bakersfield, ayan, Bakersfield. Bagong bukas yung doon, Hard Rock Casino. Di ba Hard Rock Casino rin yung tinatayo nila sa Las Vegas?
Yes. Across from Venetian.
Bagong
where
casino,
the Mirage used to be.
Pagbabago ang casino, namimigay sila. Yeah.
That's what they said.
Oo, kinukuha nila yung mga pera ng tao kasi malaki na gastos nila sa casino. Inuubos yung pera. Kasi syempre pag bago, maraming taong pupunta, di ba? Oo. Yan. Si Mimi kasi talagang yun ang kanyang libangan ng casino.
She doesn't drink. She doesn't like to go out. She's not feeling well.
She doesn't buy expensive stuff.
But tell her, go to casino.
Naku.
Now she feels better.
Yeah, she feels better. Lahat ng kanyang dugo, parang nabubuhay ng dalaga siya ng mga dugo niya, ganun.
Casino!
Look at this guys. Ano kaya itong mga I don't know first of all, so what is this? Anong meron sila sa touring niya? Dalawa sila. Oh, galing mo.
Go look behind. Let's see what's
Ano kaya meron yan? Video? Video ba yan? Makain na naman po si Miss Raquel. Makain kinakain ito. Anong kinakain mo?
Ay, jackfruit. Jackfruit chips.
Jackfruit chips. Patingin. Patingin. Oh, yan. Oh. Jackfruit chips. Healthy talaga. All natural jackfruit snack. No added sugar. O, pwede ito sa mga diabetic na katulad ko. Diba? Tikman natin, ha? Tikman natin.
Masarap.
lasang-lasang na talagang jackfruit. Talagang lasang jack. Tingnan mo, kuya. Kala nyo nagloloko ko, ha? Tingnan natin si kuya.
Oo nga. Kaya matigas.
Matigas?
Only you think it's hard, but once you bite it, hindi matigas.
Oo. Pero masarap, no? Talagang lasang jackfruit.
Crap.
See? O, yan na. Nainaantok kasi siya, eh.
I want some boba. Wake me up.
Wake me up before you go. Na 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 bobo.
I want some boba.
How can you find boba here? Look, there's nothing here. It's land. This is the land of America. America, America. I'm getting crazy, guys. Kasi nagugutom na ako eh. Wala pa akong kape! Guys, we're going muna sa rest area kasi kailangan muna mag jingle all the way. Merry Christmas. Yan. Ito yung rest area dito.
Hey, jingle a jingle bell.
Medyo malayo pa kami sa malayo pa, no?
Another 2 hours.
Another 2 hours. Yan. So, let's go! Yung mga gusto magbanyo dyan, magpipi, umebak, whatever. Ayan. Ayaw nga pala, kuya. Sorry naman po, kuya. Dali. Bababa pala ako.
Hindi ka bababa. I am opening the door for you, Mimi. Hindi ko ba? No, I am going down because I have to open the door.
Going down, going. Makikita rin natin sila, kuya, sila dito. Sila Luca. Kasi, kailangan din daw nilang bumaba. Bayan Boko. Yan. Kuya, kailangan mo ng tulong? Let me give you my hand. I lift you up.
Aray ko, no?
Nahulog. Nauntog pa. Oh. Wala pang tulog yan, ha? Oh, Mimi, let's go. Ito na.
Dito na ako.
Where na you? Where na me?
Pati sa lamin ko, nagpag.
Amin na.
Can you throw this away? Ay, basura. Dito man, please, throw this away. Pati yung one ko, nagpag, oh. Kung makita.
Ako na, Mi. Ako na, Mi. Amin na. Ako na magtatapon. Punta na kayo ng banyo.
Asan ba banyo?
Yun yung banyo. Tapon naman natin yung mga pinagkainan natin kanina sa kotse. Ayan na sila, Luca. Hi! Hello! Wow! I love your outfit naman! Look at that!
My baby.
Oh.
Long
Good to
time no
you.
see.
Long time no see. This is Luca, pinakamaganda sa anak ni Mimi. Aray ko! Hi, Nana! Good to see you! Nana! Hi, Bart! Hello, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing okay. That's good. Then we're going to Salve.
I know. I almost got hit. Ayan. How's the driving?
Oh my gosh, I've been
Good?
no sleep. No sleep.
Ayan. Kompleto na kami, guys. So, they're gonna go to restroom muna. Again, we're heading against sa driving. 2 hours pa bago kami makarating ng Solvang. So far, rest muna. Unat-unat ng katawan kasi nga medyo matagal din kami nakaupo. Look at my outfit. Yan. Simple. Okay, see you guys. This is so cute. Alang cute ng aso niya. Oh my God. Oh, diba?
And are you gonna go to the restroom?
No. Are you? I feel like I see the Three Stooges. Where's the two? What the fudge?
I cut my bangs. I cut my back. It was too long.
Well, earlier it was not like that.
No.
Like a cat, like, like a small kid. Pero this is his, his
My babies.
baby. Yeah. So, si Angel Jr., yan yung mga
Zach.
dog niya. Or Zach. Oh, Zach. Okay. Hold on. May marites tayo.
See?
Yeah! Let's go! Yeah, so lahat kami nakapagbanyo na. So we're heading again sa
We got our picture
driving.
taken with Bart. He was really tall. The rest of us were all short.
We're short.
Hey, I need a picture of us. Wait, all of us.
Picture muna daw. Picture.
Come on, picture.
Start driving again. Let's go. Marami ng space si Kuya. Makakatulog ka na yan, Kuya.
How?
Lay down na. You can lay down.
May nakaharang dito kaya.
Malapit na tayo sa beach. Wow, look at that. Guys, see it? My goodness. Malapit na to sa Pismo Beach, guys. Yan. I think we should stop in Pismo Beach. Oh, ganda. Yan, malapit na tayo. Are you okay?
Tired. I'm sleepy. I need my boba.
She's been driving for more than 3 hours?
Yeah. Almost 4 hours.
Yan, so malapit na kami.
I'm sleepy.
Tapos si Kuya, thank you. Sarap ng tulog niya. Ang sarap ng tulog niya, be. Oh. Wala pa kasing malayo na yung nararating niya. Medyo yung kaluluwa niya lumalamoy na saan.
Crazy.
Kaya, Beshi, malapit na tayo. Diyos ko po, Mio. Nagugutom na ako. Yung aking mga bulate ay nagwe-weld na sa tiyan ko. Wala pa tayong coffee. Lollipop pa lang ang kinakain natin.
Naidlip ako.
Nagising na pala.
Kada naman dadaan. Did you see your mouth wide open? Took a picture of it.
Munti ka ng
Subeng.
Ayan na yung Solvang. Welcome to Solvang, mga bitch.
I thought you said mga bitch.
Kinda. Mga beshi, malapit na tayo sa Solvang. Ayan. So ito yun lang yung town of ano kasi ulit? Danish town. There you go, Danish town. Yung Danish town, yun yung mga di ba? Yun yung mga
Windmill na.
oh, may windmill. Ano ba yan? Yung Danish man, yung mga nakapalda, yun ba yun?
Oh,
Parang ganun, di ba?
No, I think there's Scottish.
Oh, there's Scottish. Ayan.
Yeah,
Meron.
wearing skirt.
Tingnan mo nyo naman ang Solvang. O, di ba?
Traffic na.
Dito rin tayo nakaraan, diba?
Oo.
Biking in. Yan yung biking in.
Biking in. Yung ba tayo, Mami Gail?
No, hindi.
Hindi.
Ayun,
Lagpas ng na yun,
the
yung windmill.
restaurant that we ate.
Oo.
Andito nung last week sila ate mo.
Oh, hindi nalalamig itong mga to. O, tingnan mo naman. O.
Yung picture
There's the
na.
pancake house.
The most amazing pancake. The most delicious. Saka yung bakery. Remember that?
Yeah.
Hamlet Inn.
Diyan tayo kumain.
Doon tayo kumain dito sa Paula's Pancake. Yan.
And the wait like an hour.
Yeah. My God. Itong Paula's Pancake na to, Diyos ko po. hour kaming naghintay dyan before. So, tignan nyo naman. Kasi yun ang pinaka-famous pancake dito sa Solvang. Tignan nyo naman yung mga tao. Oh. Diba? Ang dami. Tapos itong brewery. Ito na tayo. Ito na tayo. So, malapit na tayo sa Solvang. Ay, actually, nasa Solvang na pala tayo. Bayan. O, diba? Gutom na kasi ako eh. So, mag-check-in kami sa...
You've arrived at your destination.
Ano pangalan ng ano natin? Yan.
Copenhagen.
Yan. Dito tayo. Copenhagen. So, pangalan pala ng aming tutuluyan for today is talagang ano na, diba? Copenhagen. Dito tayo mag-check-in. O, diba? Kita nyo yung hotel. Okay ba, kuya? Yeah? Nakatulog ka na?
Idlip na ako.
Saya na? Okay na. Energy na!
Energy, pero masakit yung leg ko.
Paano hindi sasakit ang leg mo, kuya? Nakaganito ka.
Oo nga, ganyan na ako nervous pagka dumadaan na gano'n.
So, we're getting 2 rooms. Ayan, si Miss Raquel, pupunta na siya to check in.
Checking in, Raquel.
Ang bangon dito. And,
how is your day going so far?
Oh, I was tired. Long drive.
Any pets in
so,
your
yung
room?
check-in dito is 4 o'clock.
Rachel, this is your card here. So we're going to do this 2 times, okay?
Thank you.
Welcome. My name is Amy.
Hi,
So
Amy!
you can get it now, Amy?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
both rooms ready for you.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay.
The rooms are ready. The rooms are
Yes.
ready. Thank you so
we're going
much.
to authorize an extra $20 hold, not a charge. A
Okay.
hold for incidentals on both. We'll do this 2 times. Okay?
You better not make a mess or anything in that room.
That's right.
I'm not.
You $20 become a $200 if you do that.
How can I help you, ma'am? I won't clean on the ground floor as a break.
So, there you go. Nag-check-in na tayo, mga beshi. So, let's go outside.
No, ma'am. Nothing.
Si Kuya Tikyo. Kuya! Hello! Welcome to my vlog! Ayan. So, we're just gonna wait for Raquel kasi nag-check-in pa siya. Okay na daw yung mga kwarto. So, 2 rooms kami. Isa sa amin, tapos isa kila Luca. Ayan. So, sama-sama kami sa sama-sama kami sa isang kwarto. Tama ba yun? Kind of, yeah. Pero nagugutom na talaga ako. Ayan, so we're staying at Royal Copenhagen Inn. Tama ba yung pagkaka-pronounce ko? Di ko alam eh. Pero yeah. So look at that! Hi! See? Yung trolley ng Solvang. Iikot ka niyan eh. Iikot ka niyan sa buong town ng Solvang. So makikita mo naman pati mga design ng mga houses, businesses is parang nasa ibang bansa ka, 'di ba? Ang cute. Okay guys, so watch more on my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Please help me out. Malapit na ako mag 2,000 and of course, keep watching more kasi marami pa kaming pupuntahan dito sa Solvang at marami pa akong video na i-upload para sa inyong lahat. Okay, thank you guys. See you again on my next video. Bye.